Welcome to all. For this session also, we are going to discuss about Unit 4 Hydrogen. In this session, our discussing topic is hydrogen peroxide. Now we are going to discuss about preparation of hydrogen peroxide, physical properties of hydrogen peroxide, chemical properties of hydrogen peroxide, uses of hydrogen peroxide. First topic is hydrogen peroxide preparation. First method, by laboratory preparation. Here we are taking sodium peroxide as a reactant, that is reacted with sulfuric acid, sodium sulfate and hydrogen peroxide is obtained. Sodium sulfate is removed by filtration. That remaining solution is containing hydrogen peroxide. Next laboratory method is from barium peroxide. A thin paste of barium peroxide is made in ice cold water. Then add it slowly to ice cold sulfuric acid. The white precipitate of barium sulfate is removed by filtration, leaving behind the dilute solution. That solution is containing hydrogen peroxide. Next method is industrial preparation. Starting material is 2-ethyl anthraquinone. This 2-ethyl anthraquinone involved for reduction, convert it into 2-ethyl anthraquinol. That 2-ethyl anthraquinol automatically involved for oxidation, that is converted into 2-ethyl anthraquinone. At the same time, hydrogen peroxide is formed. This mixture involved for dilution using water as a reagent. We are getting a 2-layer solution. One is organic layer, another one is aqueous layer. That organic layer is containing 2-ethyl anthraquinone. Aqueous layer is containing 40% of hydrogen peroxide. So, this is the industrial preparation of hydrogen peroxide. Next topic, physical properties of hydrogen peroxide. In the pure state, hydrogen peroxide is almost colorless liquid. Actually, that is very pale blue liquid. It melts at 272.4 Kelvin and has a boiling point of 423 Kelvin. It is miscible in water in all proportion and forms hydrate. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes when exposed to sunlight. This process is catalyzed by trace of alkali metals. Therefore, hydrogen peroxide is stored in wax-lined glass or plastic container and kept in dark. It should also be kept away from dust particle because dust can induce explosive decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Next topic, chemical properties. First reaction, hydrogen peroxide is highly unstable compound. When it is reacted with water, that means that aqueous solution spontaneously produce oxygen and water. This is also called as disproportion reaction. Next chemical property is hydrogen peroxide is act as an oxidizing agent as well as very good reducing agent in both acidic and alkaline medium. Now we are going to discuss about that character. In acidic medium, Hydrogen peroxide is act as a very good oxidizing agent. For example, ferrous ion converted into ferric ion. Ferrous ion oxidation number 2 plus. Ferric ion oxidation number 3 plus. Here oxidation number increases. So that is a oxidation reaction that is takes place in the presence of hydrogen peroxide in acid medium. Second equation, lead sulfide is converted into lead sulfate. Here lead sulfide involved for oxidation converted it into lead sulfate. So here also hydrogen peroxide is act as a very good oxidizing agent in acid medium. Hydrogen peroxide is also act as reducing agent in acid medium. For example, permanganate ion in the presence of acid medium, hydrogen peroxide permanganate ion is converted it into manganese ion. Mn oxidation state in permanganate ion is +7, but at the same time manganese ion oxidation number 2 plus. So oxidation number decreases. Therefore, reduction takes place. Here, reducing agent is hydrogen peroxide. Medium, acidic medium. So, hydrogen peroxide acts as a very good reducing agent also. Another one example, hypochlorous acid involved for reduction in the presence of hydrogen peroxide to produce hydronium ion. So, hydrogen peroxide in acid medium that is act as a oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. Hydrogen peroxide is a very good oxidizing agent and a reducing agent in base medium also. Now we are going to confirm that property using some chemical reaction. First reaction, ferrous ion reactive with hydrogen peroxide that is converted into ferric ion. That is a oxidation reaction that is takes place in base medium. So here hydrogen peroxide is act as a oxidizing agent. Another one example, manganese ion Mn2 plus is converted into Mn4 plus. Here also hydrogen peroxide is act as an oxidizing agent. Next property is reducing nature in basic medium. Iodine involved for reduction in the presence of hydrogen peroxide in base medium converted into iodide ion. Another one example, manganate ion converted into manganese dioxide. So, hydrogen peroxide can act both as an oxidizing agent and a reducing agent in acid and basic medium. Next topic, hydrogen peroxide oxidation reaction. Hydrogen peroxide is used as an oxidizing agent. Some examples, that is oxidize lead sulfide into lead sulfate. That means black color lead sulfide is converted into white color lead sulfate. Second reaction, potassium iodide involved for oxidation in the presence of hydrogen peroxide to produce iodine. So, potassium iodide converted into iodine. That is a oxidation reaction. Next reaction, sodium nitrite converted into sodium nitrate. Hydrogen peroxide involved for this reaction, that is act as a oxidizing agent. Hydrogen peroxide also oxidize acidified potassium ferrocyanide into potassium ferricyanide. Hydrogen peroxide reacted with sodium sulfate into sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfite reacted with hydrogen peroxide, that is converted into sodium sulfate. That is also oxidation reaction. Hydrogen peroxide oxidizes CrO2 minus in an acid medium to form chromium peroxide. This is also one of the oxidation reaction. Next reaction, bleaching reaction. Hydrogen peroxide bleach by oxidation. Hydrogen peroxide bleach silk, wool, cotton, hair, etc. That is involved for bleaching reaction. Immediately that is involved for disproportion reaction to produce water and oxygen. Next, some of the reduction reaction of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide reduces barium peroxide into barium monoxide. That chemical reaction is BaO2 plus H2O2 gives BaO plus H2O plus O2. Hydrogen peroxide also reduces ozone to oxygen. Ozone molecular formula O3, that is reacted with hydrogen peroxide, gives H2O plus O2. Hydrogen peroxide reduces alkaline potassium ferricyanide into potassium ferrocyanide. So, hydrogen peroxide also involved for reduction reaction. Next topic is uses of hydrogen peroxide. The oxidizing ability of hydrogen peroxide and the harmless nature of its product, that is water and oxygen, lead to its many applications. Now we are going to see some of the applications of hydrogen peroxide. Actually, hydrogen peroxide is used as an antiseptic and it is also used in the preservation of wine and milk. Our white blood cells produce hydrogen peroxide to kill bacteria. It is used to clean stain from sensitive fabric and cloth. Soaking feet in water mixed with hydrogen peroxide for 15 minutes every day for a week will help to get rid of fungi. Plant growth can be sustained by sprinkling mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water in equal amount. The textile and paper industry use it as a bleaching agent. It is used for the synthesis of tartaric acid, food product and many pharmaceutical compounds. It is used in the manufacture of chemicals which is in turn are used in making of high quality detergents. The most significant use of hydrogen peroxide in environmental chemistry, where it is used in pollution control treatment of domestic waste and industrial effluent. Highly concentrated hydrogen peroxide is used as a rocket propellant. Thank you.